Welcome back to my channel. You do not need to take your clothes off to have a good time. Trust and believe. Dream tote bag. Yo, sir. Back damage. One, always sit behind the driver when I go into a taxi. I know it sounds random, but always sit behind the driver when I go into a taxi. So much for clicking on my face. Packages. Oh, I got enough. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's just so like don't make no boy carry me around no corner and show me no banana. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my face, clicking on my video. I am Dee the Traveler. I am a Jamaican YouTuber, lived in Japan for 5 years, back in Jamaica now, and I'm doing YouTube, and I hope you enjoy all my videos. I promise this is not sweat, it's just perfume oil. But I make YouTube videos. If you have any questions about migrating to Japan, teaching in Japan, living in Jamaica, travel, fashion, I'm doing a little bit of fashion, but traveling, hit me up. I have been to Japan, America, Thailand, South Korea, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Mexico, Bahamas, Panama, El Salvador, Colombia. Where else have I gone? I think I'm forgetting somewhere. Am I forgetting somewhere? I can't remember. But I've been to quite a few countries. So I've been to quite a few countries. I understand the traveling process, the visa process, and all of that. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Today's just a bit sit down, chit chat. Did some shopping. Want to show you what I bought. Chit chat about the new year. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Remember to subscribe, share, like, comment. End of the year. Hold on, let me turn up the fix the brightness. So it's the end of the year and I got some packages. I wanted to show you what I bought. What I bought. Let me see. And I wanted to show you what I bought. So let's. Okay, so this package is from between Gap or Old Navy. What is the plans for the New Year's resolution? New Year resolution. Oh, so I bought this pants in store and I really liked it. Work pants, declaring myself a work babe. Really liked it. Got it in extra large. It's probably going to be a tad bit bigger than me. Extra large. They're very long. They're like cargo pants, but they work for work. So this is how they're looking. Have to wash them. What's the right here, so this package is with one item. Alright, this one up. You know, I should have done on TikTok. I should have done a TikTok. Okay, so this is another one. This is large. Hopefully it can fit me. Oh, this looks small. Large looks small. For work. It's for work. It's like a army. It's a green. But it's like a light grayish green. This is how it looks. For work. And I have, it's supposed to be yellow, but it looks mustard. A mustard one as well. And I think this one is black. And a black one as well. I wanted to do a bit of my TikTok. I'll probably do a bit of my TikTok. What else did I get? This is from Kate Spade. I don't know why Kate Spade sent me an entire big box and it's just like 2 earrings. As you can tell, I really love these Kate Spade earrings. But why did they send me a big ass box? I do not know, because it's just 2. It's just 2. to be like my Christmas gift from me to me. Yours, all yours, yay! Hopefully it's clear. Shit. Hopefully it's clear. So this is one of them two, and this is how it's looking. The real retail price is basically $50, and I got them for probably like $15 or something like that. So these are the studs. I'm gonna tap in so you can see clearly. My nails one though, but these are the studs. Really big, cute, big and cute. So those are the studs. I bought some New Balance, a pair of New Balance, and baby girl is taking forever to get here. What else did I buy? This was during like the Black Friday sale, and I bought some stuff from Amazon. They're taking a while to get here as well. And these cutie, look at them, look at them, look at them. Can you focus? Oh my god, they're not focusing quite well. These are beautiful. If I could just get them. But no, they're not really focused really well, but these are cute. Those are cute. This retail for $60, but these are cute. Those are really cute. Look at that dog, you know? You come on and rest and look at me. What? This dog, this dog is looking at me like, where's the food? Bro, I want to know where's the food as well. Where's the food? Can I manage? So anyways, that's from Kate Spade. The other box is my Christmas present. My head magic is my Christmas present. It's from Carl. It's from Carl Lagerfield. It was a customs, but my box open already. But excited about this because this is like, how do we get you open? This is my dream tote bag. Bro, how do you open? This is my dream tote bag. I'm trying to get it to open. How do I get you open without busting the bag and all of that? Like, how do you open? I can't open it. Oh, them I done see? La, that's dope. Karl Lagerfeld. That's dope. But me, I said him tear up the Jesus. Then I even fold it back properly. Fuck. What's my dream tote bag? Yo, this feels nice. It's my dream tote bag. It's big. It's big. Karl Lagerfeld. This is how the back looks. This is nice. So it's leather and canvas. This is how the inside looks. So the inside is black. So two brands I would take a tote from. Louis Vuitton, of course, and Karl Lagerfeld. I really, and so you can push out, you can push open and balance out. Louis Vuitton and Karl Lagerfeld are two places I would definitely take a tour from. No sir, back damage. What? No, it costs too much for that one. No. Let me put it back in. Because as a Christmas gift, these are perfume stains, don't mind that. Because it's always something for me, but let's be for real. Like, if you're going to pay for something for me, I don't want people to exploit you. The bag damage, but it's a cute boxing though. What my begs about that, I'm gonna type up an email right now for send to them, so I can send to them. Yeah, I'm that type of girl. I'm that type of girl. You're paying way too much. It's coming all the way from Europe, or it's coming all the way from London or Italy. One of them two places there. You can't come damage. No, not today. And then we have Amazon, good old faithful Amazon. This is supposed to be some skincare stuff. It's supposed to be some skincare stuff. Anyways, what are your plans for the new year, girl? What are your plans for the new year? What are you doing? I'm not okay. I'm not okay for so many reasons. Kartel is having a show. That's first and foremost. Kartel is having a show. Why I just the other day I figure out that New Year's Eve is a working day. Like, New Year's Eve is not a public holiday. I miss teaching so much. I miss teaching so much, because why is New Year's Eve not a public holiday? I'm stressed out. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm very much stressed out because what? I'm not going to Kartel show. I just like every time I sit and think about it, I stress out more, because if I had bought those tickets, something would have to give and it would not be that show. I stress out like what? Anyways, yeah. I'm not going to show. I'm here sitting and think about something separate and apart though. I'm supposed to get 2 bottles of face liquid thingy, but I'm not seeing it. I'm going to contact them. I'm going to contact the shipping company. This is a mat for my shower at the apartment that I'm renting. I bought some mat for the shower. I'm going to go through another box I have with stuff for the apartment that I picked up from the shipping company from Amazon and see if those 2 bottles of face toner is in it. But let's talk about it. Excuse this New Year's Eve is not bring it in closer. Fix you just a bit. New Year's Eve, my face look oily. New Year's Eve is not a public holiday. What? Sorry, resident. These are perfume stains. Perfume oil is in the perfume. It's very strong with perfume oil, and I think it's going to stain my shirt. But anyways, New Year's Eve is not a public holiday. Girl, that is wild to me, because I had so much plans to go to his concert, and just when I was about to secure the tickets, my job was like, yeah, that's a working day. I'ma just start, so I really don't want to skip work. But baby, bring it in closer. I am actually not okay. So many things that a year just run off so quickly. A year ago, in November, a year ago, I quit my job in Japan. I said I was going to move home. I'm going to travel for a bit. I'm going to enjoy life. 1 year run off so quickly. I've been to quite a few countries. I'm yet to post about it. I know. I'm going to be posting much more. I'm going to be posting more in 2025. But yeah, so many things happen this year. So many unexpected things. So many unexpected. Like, for one, I did not know. Like, I came home and I did some renovation to my room, and I'm going to be posting those videos. they're coming. But I did some renovation to my room here, and then soon after I started job hunting and stuff, and then boom, job hunting, found a job, and it's outside of the parish. So for foreigners looking on, it's outside of the state basically, and I have to go to a different parish of work. So I'm like, okay, let me find an apartment there to rent. Boom, now I need to set up a new apartment. I did not visualize on my 2024 vision board, which I didn't create, but it was not on my bingo sheet to have an apartment in Jamaica. Boom, now we have an apartment. I need to set up that apartment. So that is 2025. Boom, it's on the agenda. I gotta get it done. So many things happen, and it's happening in 2024 going into 2025, and I'm excited. I won't lie, I am excited. 2025 seems quite promising, and excited. I can say though, coming to the end of 2024, that moving back home, not having my father here, is, every time I think about it, it shake me up just a bit. Not going to lie. Home is not home without my dad. I'm not going to lie about that. Every time I get the opportunity, my dad come up in some sort of conversation, some sort of life lessons, some sort of conversation, my dad comes up in it. Girl, high points. Some lessons that my dad, I was thinking about it on my journey home the other night from work. Some really important life lessons that my dad taught us, his kids. One, and it's not going to go in any chronological order. It's going to sound quite chaotic, but one, always sit behind the driver when you're going to a taxi. I know it sounds random, but always sit behind the driver when you're going to a taxi. Why? The driver is going to always protect himself first in case of any emergency. Yeah. Sounds blunt, but it's the truth. Two, always have your get vex money. Always have that extra change, extra coin in your pockets, whether you're a woman or a man, just in case things are not going the way you want it to go while you're out in these streets. Three, you don't need to take your clothes off to have a good time. And I know it sounds random, I know it sounds weird, but it's the truth. You do not need to take your clothes off to have a good time. Trust and believe. You do not need to take your clothes off to have a good time. I'm gonna leave it at that. Four, random life lessons that my dad taught me. Family is truly all you have. Yes, sometimes you create your own family, your friends become your family is your family that we are born into. Family is all you have. Take care of your family, spend time with your family, love on your family, pour into your family. Sometimes them probably upset you and annoy you and stuff like that, but family is all you have. 5, enjoy life to the fullest. Enjoy life to the fullest. I'm going to be very honest, I did not see my daddy passing away. Like, I could have visualized it. Yes, I know we all get old and we die at some point in time, but I did not see my dad passing. It never seemed real. It never seemed like someone would have happened. And he passed away unexpectedly, suddenly. But my daddy lived a full life. Like, him enjoy the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like, him enjoy life. He made mistakes. He grew from his mistakes. He ensured that his children don't come up and make the same mistakes. But him live. I remember my first time my daddy went on a plane. And it was not international. It was not international. It was some months ago to Kingston. And he was so excited, and he came on and tell us a story, and he always had a story. And I have realized that I'm becoming that person as well. I always have a story. There's always a story to a situation. But he lived life. And when sometimes you think about it, when you pass on, when you're gone, what will people say about you? Like, your tombstone or whatever, just have a few words for written on it. Oh, Pamela worked her ass off and was a dedicated worker. But what else? You know, what mistakes did you make? And what mistakes did you make and you learned from it? What type of life did you really and truly live? And I think that is important. Right now I should be filming on my camera, but here I am on my phone. I'm out of memory space. But he taught us so many things, and every day I miss him more and more. Every day I miss him more and more. But yeah, going through life, it's hard when you lose a parent, honestly. But yes, what are the life lessons that my daddy teach me? Don't make no boy carry me around no corner and show me no banana. Honestly, when that song came out back in high school, every day when I leave home, I went to Westwood High boarding school. For those who don't know, boarding school in Jamaica, in Trelawney. When I come home on the weekend and I would go out, you know, on the weekend and whatever, my daddy always said to me before I leave the house, Deja, don't make no boy carry around no corner and show you no banana. And it's true. If you're a young girl growing up, if you're a young girl, if you're a young woman, if you're not ready for it, don't let any man take you around in a corner and show you any banana. Period. But yeah, always put on money for a rainy day. That's another lesson. Always put down money for a rainy day, because girl, when it rains, it really and truly pours. This year that I took off from working, I could not have done that without putting down funds for a rainy day. And now that the rain is pouring, I need to find another job. So yeah, where this mosquito come from, man? But yes, important life lessons. He taught us so much. Yeah. But the year is coming to an end. I would say make the best of life. Spend time with your family, love on your family, enjoy your family, eat good food, travel, save a couple coins while you can, enjoy a couple coins while you can, live life. At least once a while, have some fruits in your diet, eat some vegetables, take care of yourself. And I hope you keep safe on the road this holiday. The other day I'm coming home from work and boom, a car trying to overtake another car ran right into a truck. The car ran into a truck. Boom. When accidents happen, you know, it make a loud impact. Shit, it jerked me up. But be safe on the road. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your family. Spend time with your family. Love on your family. And I hope you have a great end of the year. Missing Cartel show is really killing me right now. It's really killing me, but I hope you take care of yourself. And I see you in 2025. Don't mind the stain. It's perfume. It's a perfume stain. I promise you, it's not sweat stain. I promise you, it's not sweat stain. But yeah, I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I love you so much. I hope you have a happy holidays. All the best for the new year. Catch me in the next vlog.